Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create your Square Enix account. So Square Enix is an online digital entertainment platform that consists of different services, and if you want to get along with this, stick with me till the end of this video to find out how exactly you can make an account here. So for this, first of all, head over to your web browser and then go to squareenix.com. As you go to squareenix.com, you will land on an interface that looks pretty much like this after you select the region. And there you can see that on the upper right hand side, there's a profile icon. Tap on the profile icon. And as you tap there, you will be asked to either log in, and that if you're not a Square Enix member yet, you can tap on join now. So I'm going to tap on join now. After tapping on join now for the membership part, you will have to enter certain credentials. Here, in order to sign up with your email address, you can also log in with either your Facebook, Steam, Square Enix account, or you can simply sign up. So I'm just going to sign up. So first of all, I'll have to enter my email address over here. So I'm just going to finish entering my email address. After you enter the email address, get along with the other proceedings that are listed below. So here, as you can see, you can enter your password. So I'm just going to set up a password for my account. Make sure that you select a password that is easy for you to remember, but at the same time also secure enough. You also have to repeat the password, so that is what I'm going to do in order to confirm that this is the particular password that I want to set for my account. After that, you'll have to select your birthday. So first of all, select the day of your birth. Then you'll have to select the month of your birth. And then after that, you also have to select the year of your birth. Now, after you complete with all of these proceedings, you can select the country or your region, and then you can also select your username. So I'm just going to select my username. It is giving me a default username, but I don't want to use this, so I'm just going to select something else. And then after doing this, you also have to select your language, and what you can do is you can sign up for email updates. You can also agree to the terms and conditions, and then tap on the join button. After tapping on the join button, wait for the processings to complete, and here it says that you have now been registered, so you can simply tap on return to site. And then you will be directed towards the same interface that you had seen earlier. But you can now see that on the upper right hand side, you'll see your own profile icon, which means that your registration has been successful. So it is this very easy to register for a Square Enix account. You can make your account in this manner, and I hope that this video has guided you through the process. If it did, do let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also do share and subscribe.